my name is Kelly and today is our first summer vlog of 2024. I am seriously so stinking excited to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life. Do you guys see Burrow? He's like big snuggling on this quilt. It is his favorite thing ever. I have to update you guys on our new bedding because it looks a little different. It's so cute. It's very blue. I've been joking that I'm entering my blue era very slowly, but don't worry, I still absolutely love pink. And it's also my 8-year anniversary on YouTube, so I bought a big 8 balloon. It's over there. I'll show you guys in a minute. And we're gonna head over to my parents and take a little outfit pic with it for Instagram. It's gonna be seriously so cute, but I wanted to get the vlog started, so I hope you guys enjoy my summer vlog series. This is the first one of 2024. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of our PREPSTER fam. And today we have a little bit on the agenda. I have a small business called KellyPrepsterstudio.com. It's always linked down below, but I have a second YouTube channel and we are so close to 100,000 subscribers over there. I go live every Tuesday night at 8. I have a few orders to pack, so I'm just going to show you guys the behind the scenes of my life as a small business owner, but also as a vlogger, Instagrammer, whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love it, so let's get the vlog started. I'm obsessed with these roller rabbit PJs. They're so cute, and you guys, I have the matching quilt. Got this super cute quilt from Roller Rabbit. It has the same monkey print that my PJs have on it, but instead of yellow, it's got a little green detail and it's like seersucker on the inside, which is so cute. We did buy Burrow some dog stuffs for our bed, and then I updated our comforter, our headboard, and our sheets. So the sheets are from Kohl's. They're this really pretty like light blue color. Then we got this really fun white waffly comforter. This is from Target, and then our big king size pillows back here are from Roller Rabbit, and I love that it has like the dark blue that matches the quilt. I'm thinking some like maybe green throw pillows or something. And then we did get a new headboard and it's from Amazon, and I love the little rattan and white moment going on. I think it looks so beautiful with the nightstands. Of course, I got my little jelly cat that I got for Christmas, and then John also got me the little Frenchie jelly cat, which is so cute, and I just think they're adorable. I mean, I love a good jelly cat moment. Girl, what are you doing? You cannot like the camera. So my camera died after I filmed the intro, so slow start to the vlog. I'm just gonna set that right there. Mister, why don't you say hi to all the Prepster fam? Burrow, hi. This is also Burrow's favorite spot to cuddle. Before I change out of my PJs, I did want to share with you guys some PR that I have. I got this super cute basket at a yard sale and I think it's adorable, and I've just been keeping a few PR packages in here, and I've been like waiting for a vlog to share them with you guys because they're so stinking cute. My absolute favorite, I haven't even really opened it up, but the packaging on this one from Pixie is so cute. Look at all the little strawberries. I love it. So I thought this would be kind of fun to get the vlog started. So I have this Pixie skin treats with little strawberries, and this is what the back looks like. So it does have an I don't even know how to pronounce this, a tonic cleaner with a reusable little cleansing towel. Let's open this up. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it comes with like a little carrying case. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. But they are like little reusable cleaning towels. I love this. This is so cute. I feel like Pixie always goes above and beyond on their packaging. And then we have a tonic water. Sorry, I'm gonna butcher how to say that. So it's so cute. So thank you, Pixie. I have 2 more packages from them, but oh my gosh, the strawberries. Then we have this super cute pink outlined one, and it comes with one of their stick blushes and their lip glow, which I'm so excited about. So Burrow's like coming over. He's like, what is all of that? Okay. And you open it up like this. It's so cute. So I've been using this on the go blush all the time, but I do use the orange shade. I really, really like it, but there's like different ways to apply it, which is so cool. I'm seriously so excited. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I did open this up and I've been using this, and this is their lip glow. It is one of my favorites. Do you guys see Burrow? He is so nosy. Isn't that right? Do you want to smell it? Oh my gosh, but thank you, Pixie. We got one more Pixie product box to unbox. It is a Pixie skin treat, and I'm so excited about this. I love that they do like the little descriptions on the back. So we have the Rose Tonic, the Radiation Perfector, and the Glowy Lip Oil. Do you want to smell it? I hope that you guys can relate to this. Does your dog like to smell everything? Okay, Burrow, you're gonna like fall over. But here is the inside. I've used this before in a travel size and absolutely love it. I've never used these 2 products, but let's open up the lip oil because I'm so curious what this is gonna be like. Oh no, I totally ripped the packaging. Okay, Oh, this is pretty. So it looks like this. It's like a little rolly balm. Oh, it's sticky. Okay. Oh, that's cute. I'm so excited. Okay. And then I did get a new Fabletics set, which I'm so excited about. Bro, why don't you sit down? I have this same sports bra in blue and it's my go-to, but I got it in white. And this is called the Principal Low Impact Bra. It's okay. And I do a TikTok collaboration with them every month. And then I also got a pair of their Power Hold black leggings. I just can never have too many black leggings. I love it. And then it came with one of their t-shirts that is called the Cotton Boxy Tee, which I think is so cute. So I'm so excited about that. And then I have 2 more packages. I know this is like a lot. I've been saving it for you guys. This one is from Kiss, and they sent over a bunch of their Rebel eyelashes. So cute. There's a whole box of them, you guys, with some lash glue. I haven't really been wearing any fake lashes. I do want to go to Ulta today and get some of the Babe Lash serum, I believe. I'm like influenced from TikTok. And then the second one from Kiss is this Naturals. They sent over a lot of lashes, you guys. I am so excited. We might have to get together a like PR box to do a giveaway soon. I think that would be kind of fun. But those are all of the PR packages that I wanted to share. Burrow was very excited as well. Let me show you guys. Isn't that right? Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. I'll share with you guys my outfit. And I'm gonna put this stuff away so Burrow doesn't get it. Here is a little OOTD. I have on my Jack Rogers sandals. I think they're so cute. My pink J. Crew chino shorts and this beautiful blue tank top that is from J. McLaughlin. I think it's so cute. And I also am wearing my new Pixie by Petra lip glow that I got in that PR package, you guys. It is like the perfect neutral shade. And I absolutely been loving it. So it just looks like this. It's like a little twisty lipstick. And it's like the perfect shade, especially for like there's no makeup days in the summer. And I also wanted to share with you guys what my bracelets are. So I have this gorgeous little chain bracelet that John got me, and my mom and dad got me this one. And then these 3 clay bracelets I thought went really well with the outfit. And these are part of my $3 summer sale on KellyPrepsterStudio.com. So each one of these is $3 if you guys want to go check it out. And then I just have on my Apple Watch and my Bead Buddies bracelet, little diamond earrings, and no necklace. Seriously, super cute. I'm so excited. We're gonna pack one order. I just got a huge order this morning with some of the $3 bracelets and my $2 stickers. So I'm going to show you guys the behind the scenes of pooling and packing an order for my small business. We're going to hit the post office, stop by my parents with my big balloon to get a Instagram picture. So my camera is finally charged enough. We are going to pack up my good friend Hannah's order. She ordered so many bracelets. They're so cute. So I'm going to show you guys a little behind the scenes of how I packed the orders for my small business, KellyPrepsterStudio.com. I just finished packing up Hannah's order. It's seriously so exciting. We just surpassed 1,000 orders recently, which has been so exciting. So John treated me to some flowers. It was so sweet. But I'm gonna grab my balloon and we are going to go get a Instagram picture to celebrate 8 years. I'm so excited and so thankful for these past 8 years. So we're gonna get to the car and go run a few errands real quick, and it's gonna be so much fun. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I just have 2 large Diet Cokes with no ice?
We're currently in line at McDonald's to get 2 Diet Cokes because we're gonna go stop by my parents' house to take a cute Instagram picture. I'm seriously so excited, you guys. This has been a tradition since I've started YouTube. besties, we are back from Target. I wanted to do a little haul because I bought 4 things. It was $45, which is so crazy, but I was like, I need these for the next time I put makeup on, so I'm gonna sit down and share with you guys what I picked up. Alright, so earlier I was putting my makeup on and I was running out of my favorite. It's the Halo Glow by ELF, and I just get this in the shade Light, I believe. I don't really know where the color is. Yeah, I get it in Fair Light, and this is one of my favorite new products that I have started using, and it's basically like a pre-foundation. I don't really know. It just really gives you a really good glowy look, and I also really like this if I'm not going to do like a full face of makeup as my foundation. And then I also, speaking of foundation, needed a new one. I got the Fit Me foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and I will say I really like this. I've always got the purple one, which is more of a glowy look, but Target only had the matte one, which is blue, but I'm still really excited about this. This is the one I currently have, and I love this combo. I will probably always be like a drugstore makeup kind of girly. Then I also picked up some Lash Paradise primer, and I have been using, let me get it out of my makeup drawer, the Lash Paradise mascara. I picked this up from Costco. I totally just dropped it, but I picked it up at Costco. It was a 3-pack for, I want to say $22, which was such a steal. So if you guys go to Costco, definitely check out their makeup, but I wanted to get the primer because I feel like it just makes your eyelashes look even better. And then lastly, this was the last thing. I can't believe I spent like $45, but this is one of my favorites. It is the Tree Hut Shea Butter, and I tried a new smell. So this is the Moonlight Glow. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Moonlight Glow. And I can't decide what it smells like. It's like a lavender or blueberry type mix, but it's really pretty, and I'm super excited because I love the smell of it, and it just has good vibes. So I love this. But my mom is coming over to help me film a OOTD video for later this week, so I'm gonna go get all the outfits ready and get set up for that. And then later tonight we are going live on my second YouTube channel, KellyPrepster Studio. $3 bracelets. I'm gonna go show them to you really quick. I've been talking about them because I have them on right now, but I want to show you how cute they look on the shelf. Like I have this little acrylic organizer, and it's adorable. So these are my acrylic organizers. They're from Amazon. I have them in my Amazon storefront, but these bracelets are my $3 bracelets. So I currently have a bunch of seed beads, but I also have like clay bead bracelets. I thought these were so cute for the 4th of July, but I thought $3 bracelets for the summer is so fun, and we're currently at 1,016 orders, which is absolutely crazy. Are the bracelets that are launching tonight. So John's been helping me list them out here, and they're so cute. So we try to drop a few new color patterns each week, and then we restock the ones that are sold out. So we're gonna work on this once my mom leaves, but I gotta go. Mom's coming over to help me film an OOTD, so I'm going to change and then hang out with her for a little bit. Burrow's in here. Burrow, what are you doing? He's so cute. But I will be sure to update you guys once I'm done filming the OOTD with my mom. Alright besties, my mom just left and I switched into some Free People clothes. We are currently making some stickers. So every Tuesday night on my second channel we go live at 8 o'clock, and I recently have been doing weekly drops of new stickers and bracelets. So I want to show you guys the behind the scenes of making the stickers in-house. It's seriously so much fun, and my husband John helps me. So we currently have our Cricut. This is one of our new sticker designs, and can I hit the button? Yeah. Okay, I need to click this and it's gonna start cutting them. It is so cute, but I put a lot of my stickers on there. It's currently 7 o'clock. We're a little last minute today. Yep. And Burrow really does not like the sticker making process. So we just finished listing all of the products. We have like 8 minutes until live, and I have to show you guys the setup because it's so cute, but I do this every Tuesday night. What are you doing? He just makes the most random noises sometimes. But I do this every Tuesday night. It's seriously so much fun. So if you guys want to chit chat, definitely check it out. It's on my second channel. I will have it linked down below. But I put my phone in this little tripod. I always have like a drink. Today I'm doing my water and my Stanley. And here is where it gets a little crazy. These are the $3 bracelets. These are the tumblers. They're so cute. They're all made in-house. I have my Shopify counter. So our goal is 1,025. And then I put my subscriber goal up there. We got our little 8 balloon. I put it back over there. I think it's so cute. But we just made these stickers. So we have the Summer on My Mind, Summer Bookcation, Sorry I'm Booked, and Sun-Kissed Baddie Club, which is so cute. So I always like to keep the new products over here so I can share them with you guys during the live stream. I did have a quick dinner. We just did some like leftovers out of the fridge. So I had leftover chicken and pasta because usually on Tuesdays we don't have a lot of time to cook. So I was like, we just need something quick. Bro, what were you doing making all that noise, dude? Can you show him your new trick? Will you sit? Sit down. Hey, Burrow, sit. Shake. Can you lay down? Oh, good boy. That's a good doggo. That's his new trick, you guys. It's so cute. We got the live stream going on, and this is what it looks like, you guys. It's so fun. And everyone's saying hi. I love it. So much fun. So we just wrapped up our live stream. So we ended up getting like the 10 orders. So we're at 1,026. So we've surpassed our order goal and we're at 89,000 subscribers, which is so exciting. We had almost, I think it was 12 sales and some of our new stickers sold. We're currently printing out new ones. And I'm going to make some more just because they did get ordered. So I'm so excited. It's currently like 9:15 and we're going to be making some more stickers. Burrow just does not like the printer. Oh my gosh. I feel like we've had so many days in this one day, but it is currently 9:57 and I'm finally settling down in bed. I got my Kindle. You guys, I am obsessed with this thing. But before I start reading my book, I wanted to sit down and chit chat with you guys because today is such a special day to me and a special day thanks to you guys. So I just want to say a huge thank you for a wonderful 8 years on YouTube. I just feel like we've been through so much together. Like 8 years is a big part of my life and I'm just so happy that you guys are here. You saw when John and I got married, you saw me go to college, you saw me move out, you saw me growing up, you saw me like discovering my style, and it's just so crazy like looking back on how I documented all of that, and it's just so much fun and I'm so thankful for you guys to be here through all of it. And I'm super excited because I really have a lot of creativity and like passion to start uploading more. I kind of fallen off because my business is taking off. We're almost to 100,000 subscribers over there like I showed you guys earlier, and I really need to start practicing a little bit more discipline with like not spreading myself too thin so I can post to both channels. So if you guys have any video requests that you want to see, I'm thinking definitely some more summer vlogs, maybe some get ready with me, some shopping videos, styling outfits. I really am leaning back into my really preppy wardrobe, so I'm seriously so excited and I'm just so happy that I get to share everything with you guys. You seriously are my besties and I love you guys so stinking much. So thank you for watching today's video, for watching my videos, subscribing, all of it. It seriously means the world to me. I want to tell you guys what I'm currently reading. So I think I've talked about this in my monthly favorites. So I'm currently reading Saving Six by Chloe Walsh and I am 47% done. I have been reading so slowly because my nights have been going so late. So it's 9:59 right now. And I'm just now settling into bed and honestly I'm kind of tired. So I don't know how far I'll get into this, but I do update everything on Goodreads if you guys want to check it out. It's just KellyPrepster. It's a little picture of me and Burrow, and we have the roller rabbits going on in that one too. I'm just like obsessed. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys would like to see another summer vlog video coming up like next week or next week and a half kind of thing, I think that would be fun. I definitely want to do like a 4th of July outfit of the week video. I think it'll be so much fun, but I just love you guys so much and I'm going to be ending the vlog here just because I'm exhausted. Like my makeup's like smearing, but I had so much fun hanging out with you guys today and I just love you, and I'll see you guys back here with another new YouTube video. Bye besties.